ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away.
Just leave it. Yeah. There we go. I'm snagged. I think I still got my sinker. Wait, I might still have the whole thing. Oh, I lost the hook. First catfish of the afternoon. Been here for 10 minutes. Not bad.
Keep coming back, 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 my friend. Of things we know.
Oh, that's a good one too. Oh, I had one on. Dude, that's a good one. I had one on too. But I wanted to reel in because yours. Wow. Dude, get down there. Oh, he came right at the bank. Bring him on over. Oh, yeah, buddy. Take two. Nice catch. Redo it. You gotta redo it now because you just did. Alright. Nice catfish on the river today. Detroit Lakes. I swear to God, I'm gonna come push you in. I gotta get this fish back in the water. No, you don't. Nice catfish out on the river today. Been out here for half an hour. 2 of them so far. I'd say he's about 8 pounds. Gonna get him back in the water and try to get another. This is a good spot, I'll tell you. There's so many catfish right here. There he goes.